How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Instagram and then click on create post and then select the photos. After selecting the photos, click on next and then you will see the photos which you have selected. So click on next. So click on add music. You can select any music from here, or if you want to search, you can search any music from here. So after selecting, you can add it. Click on here. You can select the clip durations. After that, click on done options. So you can select the part of the music from here. After that, click on done options. If you and then click on share options. So in this way you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.